In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gmail reverse conversation order. If you've ever been puzzled by the order of your email threads in Gmail, you're not alone. Many users find themselves scratching their heads when trying to make sense of their conversation history. But worry not, because today, we're going to straighten things out with a quick fix that will take just a few minutes of your time. First things first, we need to log into your Gmail account. Head over to the Gmail website and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in your inbox, surrounded by your emails. Now, take a moment to look to the top right corner of your Gmail window. There, you'll spot a small gear icon. This is your gateway to the settings that will help you organize those email conversations in the way you prefer. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll want to select See All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Gmail account. Now that you're on the settings page, make sure you're on the General tab. This is where you'll find a variety of essential settings to customize your Gmail experience. Your task here is to scroll down until you locate the Conversation View section. This section plays a key role in resolving the reverse order problem that many users encounter. Within this section, you'll find options to toggle Conversation View on or off. The Conversation View is responsible for grouping your related emails into threads, making it easier to follow discussions. Depending on your preference, you can switch this setting. If it's toggled on, Gmail will group emails and display them in threads. If it's turned off, your emails will be shown individually, reversing the order they're typically presented in. Once you've made your choice in the Conversation View section, there's an important step to remember. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings page, where you'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Clicking this button is crucial, as it ensures that Gmail applies your new settings, adjusting the way your conversation threads appear in your inbox. With those steps completed, you should now find your email conversations appearing in an order that makes sense to you. Whether you prefer them grouped into threads or displayed individually, your Gmail experience should now be slightly more tailored to your needs. Many users are often confused by the reverse order issue, but with this simple fix, you should have better control over how you view your email conversations. I hope this guide was helpful and that navigating your Gmail inbox becomes a much smoother and more enjoyable experience.